Hey Kevin, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitor sites. Then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on your homepage, which looks pretty good. It's very easy to navigate. However, there is not a lot of content on here. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. I did a word counter search and you guys currently have 263 words. So we definitely want to add in some more content on here. We also want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they are going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. And in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, we also want to make sure that content is filled with the appropriate amount of buyer intent, high volume keywords so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. And so over here, I popped over to Google. The keyword I'll be using for today's video is car wraps San Jose. This is a really great keyword. It brings in around 300 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you would be doing really well for just one keyword. And so beneath the search bar here up at the top, we may typically see some Google ads. There are none popping up for me at the moment, but Google ads are a really good way to build some brand recognition and get your name out there, particularly while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, they can definitely be quite a waste of money if you don't know what you're doing, but if you do, they are a good way to get things moving quickly. And so right beneath where the ads would typically be, now here at the top of the page, we have our Google Map Pack. And so the Google Map Pack is becoming more and more important as more people are searching for things from their phones. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots to get on the front of the first page, you need to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Yext. Those are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are right here. And so now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. And so this should definitely be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they are going to click on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to click on one towards the top of the first page. And so this is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. And so their site looks pretty good. If you go through, they have quite a bit of content on here. I did a word counter search on them as well, and they actually have 2,719 words. So they have a lot of content on here, but we could definitely match or beat out that content. So in addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered and relevant backlinks. And so a backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. You want to get these backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. So for example, if a really popular mechanic were to give you a backlink from their site, that would be a really good way to bring some more power to yours. And so over here, I have hopped over to Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys ever try and bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It does cost me around $350 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. And so I just typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and it tells me that they have 517 backlinks from 85 different domains and are ranking organically for 90 keywords. So I can take a look and see which keywords those are. I want to be looking out for keywords that have a lot of buyer's intent and also bring in a lot of volume and are preferably location specific. And so as you can see, a lot of these have San Jose, where they list all the different keywords. Over here, they list how many people search for that keyword every month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic it brings them. And so we can go through and see which ones apply to what you do, and we can incorporate those into your content. And so now I want to go through their backlinks the same way I just went through their keywords. And so it's saying that they have around 500 different backlinks. And so I don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, I want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so I would be looking out for backlinks that have a high DR, domain rating. We can go through here and snag the best ones for your site, go through other competitors' backlinks, find some on our own. And so 500 backlinks is a decent amount of backlinks. It is definitely beatable. However, do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you provide, and we want to be able to beat out all of your competition. And so really quickly, before I wrap this up, I have typed in your website into Ahrefs as well, and it is telling me you guys have 111 backlinks from 34 different domains, and you are ranking organically for 157 keywords. And so we can take a look and see which keywords those are as well. And so, like I said, you really want to go for location specific keywords because those are more likely to have a high buyer's intent. And so you guys are ranking a lot towards the bottom of the first or somewhere on the second page. Also, if we look through here, a lot of these do have Dublin in them, which I know you have a location there, so that's good. But we can definitely add in some more location specific keywords. And so to recap what we talked about, number one, we would want to add in some more content and make sure it's quality educational content with the right keywords. Number two, get some more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number three, more high powered relevant backlinks. And so that is what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.